Welcome back. Well, we know in this industry that cooler is better. Cooler not only makes your equipment operate more efficiently, but it can also keep it alive. Joining me right now is Matthew. And Matthew, I tell you what, Dantherm offers a very energy efficient system, and this is going to really save us money in the long run. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure. Dantherm is a global company. We have facilities in the U.S., China, Mexico, Denmark, and Sweden. We specialize in problem solving. We focus on energy efficiencies, return on investment, total cost of ownership.
The energy can be run up quite rapidly if you don't have the right system. We definitely need cooling, but that selection tells us that not all cooling systems are created equal. As you mentioned, we can save a lot of money that will in the end up paying for itself, and in these days, that's a big deal. Let's take a beginning by looking at the active cooling solutions that you have to offer. Now, Matthew, right in front of us here, one of your DC solutions to active cooling. Tell us about it.
Yes, so active cooling actually gets you below ambient. This is a closed loop unit. This unit itself is what we call a 450 watt, so that's 1500 BTU of active cooling, and it's our DC unit. It's a 48 volt DC unit. This is a unit that can be used in off-grid where you're using the sun or maybe the wind, and also, power is supplied at 48 volts, but it's a good option and it's a very cost-effective unit for savings, return on investment.
I can see that. Now, companion to that is an AC unit that you happen to have right behind you here. Tell us about it.
Yes, this is our 4,000 BTU unit. We just launched it this year. This is our new fresh design. It's energy efficient, it's very quiet. Now this runs off of AC. It comes in either 120 or 240, and we had the cost efficiencies in there.
That's huge because those utility bills can rack up quite fast, and these are very energy efficient. That's going to make a big difference in that bottom line.
Yes, absolutely, and a lot of this goes to residential, so we put a lot of focus on the decibel rating as well. This is 4,000 BTU of cooling, and we're very proud of it. It's a very energy efficient unit. Save a lot on power bill.
Now on the other side of the aisle, some passive solutions. Can we go take a look at those?
Absolutely.
Now Matthew, behind us here, one of your passive solutions. Tell us about it.
So it's a quiet unit. If you look at your refrigerator at home, it's about 55 decibels. Our unit's 62. This is our heat exchanger. Heat exchangers is what really launched us into the telecommunication world. So we're very proud of this. This has a in-field rating of 10 years. It runs off of 28 or 48 volt DC. We also have it available in AC voltages, 120 and 240.
Okay.
So this unit's very versatile. It's closed loop, and it is a passive unit, and that means you can't get below ambient. But this is a very efficient unit. You don't have as many parts as you have in an air conditioner, so you've got a longer lifespan. We have some heat exchangers that have been in service for 15 to 20 years that are still going.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, earlier you mentioned some exciting news about free cooling.
Yes.
Can we go take a look at that?
Absolutely.
So Matthew, free cooling, tell me about this.
We call it free cooling because we use the outside ambient air. This unit can be paired with an air conditioner on a shelter, and what's nice about it is in the temperatures that warrant good conditions, as Canada, the Nordic countries, places in the US would be like New York, New Hampshire, out west, Washington. So this unit can take the place of a 3, 4, or 5 ton air conditioner. It also can be paired with one. And you talk about saving money on your power bill, this is the way to do it.
So really a very smart system as well, as in addition to being energy efficient.
Absolutely. This unit can be bought in 24 volt DC, 48, so you can use it if the grid goes down. It can be your backup.
Wow.
And actually provide cooling so your equipment won't go down. So it's a very versatile unit. We're very proud of this one.
So Dantherm, a company that's steeped in history, providing solutions for everybody's problems out there and very energy efficient. Matthew, with that said, right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there, what's the best way for them to learn more about Dantherm?
Well, you can visit our website, Dantherm.com, and we have all of our exciting products on there that range from air conditioners, heat exchangers, free cooling.
Easy enough. Matthew, thank you so much for being on.
Thank you, William.